Hey everyone, welcome to class number 10. Today we are going to talk about the project work. We will perform the project. So what we have here? We have four things. One is creating overview, creating the chart, project introduction, creating the data section. So by default we got some mistake. First of all we have to make a project introduction. Alright. So project introduction we will do. So what is project introduction? I'm having two files here. Okay. One is normal file we practiced inside. One is a project work. All right, completed budget. So let's open the project and see on the sheet number one we have some project. Okay, basically what is here, we have A, B, C. We have three columns, and in column number A we have dates, in column number B we have amounts, and in column number C we have category. Means grocery category we spend 9.24, eating out we spend 18.34, income we got 1.24, 124, entertainment, miscellaneous, such categories, and the spend in the column number B. Okay, and what is the structure? What is done here? Here we have an overview of all spends. Okay, so they have categorized all the spends here. So they categorize grocery, eating out, entertainment, miscellaneous, and income. Okay, and we have some budgeted amount that is already given here. All right, so we have to create this whole overview first at all. Okay, so we will add all those grocery, all those eating out, all those entertainment, all those miscellaneous, and all those income. We will collect them, we will add them, and according to these we will create a chart over here. All right, the chart you can see, we'll create a chart. Okay, and we will differentiate the budgeted amount and the amount we spend. We will find the differentiation also, and here we will find out the total percentage of spend. Means if the total spending is this one, so how much percent grocery, how much percent eating out, how much entertainment, how much miscellaneous, how much, right? So we will perform it. So first what we have to do, this is sheet 1, this is sheet 2. Okay, so what we are going to do, sheet 1, first of all we'll pick the data from sheet 1, A, B, C. First we will click the data, we'll copy this whole data. Okay, we'll copy it, we'll go to sheet number 2. Okay, and we will paste it over here. I got the data, correct? Now I have to create the overview. Sorry, so this overview line I have to create. All right, so you can see from E and 18, it's starting from E18. You can see here E18, E18 to E18 to I18. All right, so we'll create an overview quickly. So how we'll do it? Okay, I got it here. Then I found E18, so I got this cell, E18 to I18, EFGHI, I18. Okay, so I will first of all I will border it. I will fill a color, I'll fill gray color. I'll give it a heading which is OVERVI, overview. Okay, I will merge them all because I need a central heading. So this is how I got. All right, so I have to perform the same that is performed there in the sheet 1. Okay, but I have to perform it manually. Then I have categories and amount, so I will write down the categories and amount. Okay, so here I have categories, CATE, categories. Here I have amount, AMOUNT, amount. Okay, and then what we have, then we have budgeted amount and given. So this area we have to copy because it is given budgeted amount. Okay, it is given according to video, you must have observed in video as well. So go to sheet 2, click for budgeted amount, paste it, budgeted amount is done. Then go back, then we have difference. So DIFFERENCE, difference, and then we have spent percentage, spent percentage of spent. All right, so this all is very congested. Let me fix the width. Double click method, amount is fine, budgeted amount need bigger, difference needed more, a bit more, spend percentage a bit more, right? This is how I have adjusted it. All right, so here I will make them bold. Everything will be made bold. All right, and here, since I've copied it, so let's make one thing, view. Okay, then I will copy grocery, eating out, miscellaneous, these all. Okay, copy them because these are all categories. Correct, paste it. I need to increase a bit. Okay, and to make it more better, I would like to make a total, we say a border with it. So I'll make a border. Here we go. Now my task starts. All right, so what my task is, I have to find out all grocery and I have to add. Okay, so here we'll use a formula. We'll use a formula which is sum if, right? Sum if I get sum if, first it will range. Okay, so the range is, again I will use the same method. If I say that find out all the grocery, how would you find? You will go to C column, right? So it will your approach, right? It means from your range would be this first at all. So you'll find out where is grocery, grocery, grocery. Here is grocery, here is grocery, here is grocery, then grocery, grocery, then grocery, right? Like this. So the range you will select from column number C. All right. So what you will do, you will just click on column C. But if you see, it is selecting all A, B, and C. So only select C column. So this blue point you are seeing, just decrease, just take it, drag it here. I'm just dragging it. Okay. CC. It is showing CC. CC means whole C column is selected. All right. Fine. Then criteria. So the criteria is grocery, right? So criteria is written here, grocery. Okay, all criteria are written here. So E20. Then the sum range. Sum range would be column number B because we have to find out. See carefully. Find out all the grocery from C column because and means find out the selected thing or criteria is this one grocery and add from this. So column number B. So B, just click on B, again it's selecting whole, so just drag it and keep it by B, B column B, and just click and you will be able to see all the groceries has been added. Just drag it. Now see what we have to do. We have to use the same formula, okay, but in this cell we have to find for eating out, for this we have to find out entertainment, for this miscellaneous, and for this income. The similar, just we have to go down. So I will use the formula of relative reference and I got all the answers here immediately. Correct. Okay, and total spending. Okay, fine. Then I'll find I can create the the chart also because all about from this all data only I need to open the chart, create the chart. So insert, click on chart, click on column chart, your favorite. Just got it, right? So here it is, here it goes like this. Okay. Because we are not using that much computer, so we cannot do so many things here, but just keep it up only. Okay, just leave it. You can decrease the size here like this. So things are fine. You can change the heading, check out the heading also. Is the check okay? Nothing. All right, so it's done. it is. So we have done this. Now find out differentiation, right? So let me convert this one is into currency format first of all. Currency format, it's done. Now find the difference. So budgeted amount minus the whole amount. So I got this, I can drag it, I can just get the answer, correct? Then the percentage, okay, one more thing is given there. Here the minus are in red and the plus in positive is green. So fine, minus are in red, so it's very simple. Just drag, go to number format, go to currency format, minus are in red, so just red. And this one, the black one, can be done into green very easily, font color green. Okay, it's done. Then year of spent, sorry, percentage of spent. So percentage of grocery spent, this divided by total spend. We need the total spend also here, right? So we'll find the total spend, total spent. So total spend would be, again we will use some formula because we have done many times, sum. Then I will add all these four only. I will not include income because income is different, right? So this is how I get total spend. So now very simple, is equal to 304 divided by this. And for more references I need this to be fixed in each calculation. So just double click, dollar, dollar, done. Okay, and now fill and just drag. Okay, and it's in percentage, so convert it into percentage format, and here you go. Okay, so this is how we complete our task. So follow the each step with mentor, okay, and do it. So thank you so much everyone. You can find the net also here. What is the total net? It's given actually, so that's why only, otherwise there's no need. So I'm coloring it, so it's in red color I guess, and the font color is white. Total net would be is equal to total income minus total spend minus 18 something, it's coming, right? So it can also written into in red color. So done, no, not done. Font color could be red, yeah. So in this way we can do it, and this is how the project is completed. This is only the project, okay? So one step, with each step take follow up from the student and complete it. Thank you so much everyone. I hope you liked, I hope you understood it, I could deliver. So please share me the feedback as well. Thank you.